Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is December 1st and I want to go ahead and plant my alliums. So I want to plant onions, have these, some garlic. These are just store-bought garlic and then actual alliums as well. So these are two varieties, the purple one and the black one. And that's the light purple, the purple sensation. I have some old bulbs from earlier this year. I'll go ahead and plant those as well. So for these the garlic and the alliums and the onions, I bought them. I think it was in early September, and I put them in the refrigerator for the past 2 months. So it's doing that to get them ready for planting. So now I'll go ahead and plant. So first I need to go ahead and prepare the garlic. So let's start with that. So for the garlic, I'll leave as much of the cover as I can. That will protect them until they sprout. Okay. Okay. So these are the soft neck variety. They're not the hard ones. It's not the hard neck. Okay. Okay, that's the garlic. The rest I should just plant as is. Some of these are small, so these are two in here. I'll plant them together. We'll see if they grow. But I think we have enough. enough of the garlic. Okay, I'll go ahead and place them out in the garden to see where I want to put them, and then I'll come back and start the planting. Okay, so around this peach tree, I think I've placed 7 bulbs. So do the flat side down. Maybe this is what deep is this? 3 inches? Probably. 2 to 3 inches should be enough. The dogs are going crazy, so excuse all that noise if you can hear it. So that's 3. This is number 4. It's 5. It's 6. This is the last one around here. This is 7. So I put garlic over here because I have some onions here already, this bed. See them? I planted these, I think, in early September. Again, they were the old onions, so they look like they're doing well. Okay, so for the rest, some of the garlic, I'll put it around this juniper right here. Around this. And then I'll put some more around that area right there. So let me go ahead and plant them, and then we'll be back. Okay. Okay, so I finished planting the garlic. Now I want to go ahead and plant the onions. I have 40 bulbs. I'll put some in this bed right here, some in the other bed on the other side, and then distribute some in other garden beds. So similarly, okay, so this says 1 to 2 inches. Okay, I'll just do 2 inches. Okay, so this is a mix of the red, the yellow, and the white. So I'll just do them randomly. I think around this bed, I'll probably do 6. Let's do 3, 4. I'll do 6. Okay. It's 2, 3, it's number 4. Okay, that's 6. Okay, I'll go ahead and do another 6 around this bed right here. So this side I have cabbages, and again it's a strawberry patch. The cabbage, I don't know if it will be fine, because cabbage and strawberries are not good companion plants with each other. But my spinach didn't seed this year, so I went ahead and put some red cabbage transplant. But anyhow, I'll add these onions as well. So okay, we have 2 of each. Okay, we have a few more. Let's go plant these. Okay, so we have the last set of alliums to plant, which are actual alliums. So these I'll probably put in this bed right here, this island bed here. And then these are the ones I'll put in that bed right here, there. I'll see if I can find a space in front of the lagastrums. I think the purple will go really well with the yellow of the sunshine lagastrums. And they're 18, so I'll do probably 3 groups of 6. Yeah, so I'll plant them in clusters. Okay, let me find space for them, then we'll be back. Okay, I've placed these. So in this bed I did 4 groupings instead of 3. So I did I'm gonna do 5 bulbs there, 5 in the back of back there, 4 right there, and 4 right there. And then the other ones I've placed 3 groupings of 6 each. So I'll just plant these ones and let's see. Okay. So for the bulbs, I'm not putting any fertilizer with them or bone meal or anything. I'll just let them go. It's the fall anyway. They need to go to sleep. I'll fertilize them in the spring. So just planting them. And we're supposed to get a whole bunch of rain this week. So I'll water them very lightly just for tonight. And then I think we start getting water for the next, I think from tomorrow. And it will be for about 4 or 5 days. So with bulbs, you want to make sure that they don't rot. Too much watering. As soon as they're planted, will make them rot. So, okay. I think I'll end this video right here. I'll go ahead and plant those and plant all the other bulbs as well. And yeah, that should be it. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll catch you all on the next one. Okay. Actually, before I sign off, let me show you where I put the other ones. They are the purple sensations. So I'll plant those right there. That's one set. The other set right there. The last set will be right here. So, okay. All right, I'll go ahead and plant them the same way as I planted the other ones. And that should be it. Okay. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.